Marta from The Cooking Couple, and today we're gonna cook calamari, Spanish style calamari. So we've got some tubes in here, calamari tubes. They've been defrosted, so we left it overnight in the fridge, and so we washed them. They're frost washed, and now we need to make sure that they are dry. Okay, so I've got some kitchen towel in here, and just gonna dry them a bit. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them into rings. More or less this size.
Some people say that, if you soak them with the milk, well, the calamari gets tender.
Yeah, you can do that as well. So you can, you can basically soak them in milk, and apparently that gives a softer texture. But we tried this before and they're okay, so I'm not gonna do it. We haven't done it, but that's fine. Next thing to do now. So we've got the calamari rings in here, and we're gonna put some salt, not much because the calamari are already salty, so just a little bit of salt and some black pepper. Not much, just a touch. And we stir all this. Okay, and next step is to put them in flour. So we just basically put all of that, and then make sure they're all well covered in flour. So as you probably know, if you put the calamari which are wet in a hot oil, in a pan with hot oil, they will kind of splash all the oil, and so you don't want that. So the flour helps to dry the calamari as well. So hopefully when you put them in hot oil, they will not splash or even explode. It makes like little explosions, so it's very dangerous. So this way, it won't do that. Okay. So they're all well covered, and the next thing we're gonna do is gonna heat some oil. Make sure that the oil is very hot, and we're gonna start deep fry them. Okay. Right, so we've got the calamari, we've got very hot oil in here, and just before you put them in, what you need to do is to shake them a bit so you get the excess of flour out of the calamari. Okay, so just shake it a bit and then goes in. If I have loads of calamari, then I might just do this, to take the flour, put them in a different plate, and then from there to the pan. But there are not many, so
you can hear the explosion.
No, they are not exploding because they are dry. The calamari will take just a couple of minutes. So after 1 minute, just turning around, and then another minute, and that should be it. And you cook them until they are nice, golden and crispy on the outside. By the way, make sure that you've got a kitchen towel underneath so it will absorb the excess of oil. This smells absolutely amazing. Oh, I really love calamari. Okay, so for the next batch, I just put a little bit of salt, just a tiny bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that is ready to eat.
Wow, that looks yummy.
Can you come close here? And
yes.
Let's have a taste. So, bit of lemon and
all right. Thank you.
That's it.
It's crispy, tender. Gonna open a rosé to celebrate such a lovely dish. All calories, lots of calories.
Hello.
Hello.
It's a French rosé.
Just simple and easy. Bon appetit.